pipeline installation. Directly insert into the drainage pipe. Directly connect to the purified water pipe. Connect to the water supply. Operating instructions. After connecting the power, the screen displays of press the power button again to start the ice-making machine. When the de-icing light is on, the machine is performing an automatic check. The running light turning on indicates that ice making has started. The making ice indicator light is on, indicating that ice is being made. During the ice making process, press and hold the up-down button to enter adjustment mode. Then press the up-down button again to adjust the ice cube thickness. Stop clicking to save. The de-icing indicator light turning on indicates that ice is falling. Deep cleaning. Clean out the ice from the ice storage bin. Prepare the cleaning solution according to the instructions. Pour the cleaning solution into the ice maker water tank. Before cleaning, make sure there are no ice residues in the ice tray. Press and hold for 5 seconds until the screen displays CN. The cleaning process will last for 30 minutes, and after it ends, repeat the previous steps twice without adding cleaning solution. Rinse the ice storage compartment with hot water. After restarting the ice maker, do not use the ice made the first 2 times to prevent any residual cleaning solution.